morning, fellow workers of the Biliran District Engineering Office. This morning, we will be having the pre-bid conference for 12 projects for for CY 2025, for CY 2024, for a total of 13 projects. And by the way, as Vice Chairperson of the Bids and Awards Committee of this office, I will be the one to preside for this pre-bid conference in behalf of our top chairperson, who is now at the regional office for an emergency meeting called up by the Assistant Regional Director. The pre-bid conference, as per Section 52 of the IFR of RA 9154, shall be done for projects costing 1 million up. But for less than 1 million, the pre-bid conference may be conducted at the discretion of the Bids and Awards Committee. So since our projects cost more than 1 million, so this pre-bid conference is mandatory. The pre-bid conference shall discuss, clarify and explain, among other things, the eligibility requirements and the technical and financial components of the contract to be bid, including questions and clarifications to be raised by prospective bidders. But unfortunately, we don't have prospective bidders in spite of being notified properly. So the pre-bid conference the requirements for bidding documents shall be discussed here, including the instruction to bidders, general conditions of contracts, special conditions of contracts, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms. Documents to be submitted by the bidders, technical proposal, financial proposals. Then we will start discussing the aspects of the projects to be opened on November 18, 2024. So, thank you mga taga-planning and design section for your presence, so you can clarify to us matters regarding the projects to be opened on the aforementioned date. So let's start with the rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse, and landslide, secondary roads. Biliran Circumferential Road, kilometer 1048 plus 684 to kilometer 1049 plus 082, located in Barangay Cabucgayan, Biliran. So who will be discuss on this? The Engineer Mintruda. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This project is construction of a retaining wall located at Barangay Cabucgayan, Biliran. The scope of work is construction of 530 linear meter or 1,590 square meters load protection structures. The project amount is 40 million, but the approved budget for the contract is 39,298,000.
pesos. The total contract duration is 221 calendar days. So this project has two locations. One at the cliff side and the other side is at the mountain side. At the cliff side, the design will be a reinforced concrete cantilever wall with the foundation supported by a steel sheet pile 6 meters in length. This cantilever wall has a height of 5 meters, as seen in the screen. Then on the right side, the design will be a rubber concrete retaining wall. The total height is 4 meters. And then it has also a construction of concrete drainage. So that is all for that project.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Jack. Next project is network development, construction of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Biliran, Circumferential Road at kilometer 1066 plus 170 to kilometer 1067 plus 900, located at Calumpang, Biliran. Engineer Salunoy, you want to discuss this project?
Good morning. Next project with contract ID of 25 IE 0049, network development, construction of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Biliran Circumferential Road at kilometer 1066 plus 170 to 1067 plus 900. Contract location, Culaba, Biliran. With project description, construction of 2.4 linear kilometer drainage, including shouldering and solar lighting. The approved budget for the contract is 36,258,029 pesos and 7 centavos, with the contract duration of 200 calendar days. That's all.
Ang lighting, include magkano yung solar lights.
Ang standard height ng solar post 9 meters pag road widening. Pag 4 lanes.
So, may standard.
9 meters. Pag 2 lanes lang, 28.
Kaya ko, para na sa makita tama kung so, any comment from our chief of the maintenance?
May pagment ko. Tapos sa expedition, balik pa ko. Kaya yung going pa. Kaya yung going ka pa. Kaya pa makakaroon. Pero akin naman pag-carry magbawa na na-experiment nila, nabutan sa shoulder o sa drainage. Bukaan nila. Ibabalik mo sa Calumpang din. Pero ang solar lights bali paglampas na sa shoulder, hindi na sa shoulder, gawas na. Gawas na sa drainage. After sa drainage na, bali more or less abot na sa 10 meters from the center. Okay, next.
Thank you, Engineer Sir Ronoy. For the next project, the construction of access road, leading footbridge, industries and canal zones, NRJ, Agpangi, connecting to Sitio Pongon Road in support of the food and resource-based processing. Barangay Calumpang naman din yan. Dito na rin. Okay.
Hello, good morning. So for the next project is, we have a contract ID of 25IA0050. So a contract name of construction of access road leading to trees, industries and dynamic zones in RG Agpangi, connecting to Sitio Pongon Road in support of the food and resource-based processing Naval Biliran. So the project location is at Barangay Calumpang, Naval Biliran. Then the scope of work is road concreting of 0.956 lane kilometers, 0.28 meter thick, and 6.7 meter width with slope protection structures. Then the budget of the contract is 19,598,453 pesos and 47 centavos. Then the project duration is 150 calendar days. So if this project is completed by next year, so the Agpangi to Barangay Calumpang is accessible by 4 wheels.
Road, Barangay Casiawan, Cabucgayan, Biliran. Okay, you want to discuss this? Yeah, Porto, you want to come in?
So hello. For the next project is 25IA0051 with the contract name of construction of road Barangay Casiawan, Cabucgayan, Biliran. So the location is Barangay Casiawan, Cabucgayan, Biliran. Then the scope of work is construction of 1.58 lane kilometers road, 0.23 meter thick, 5 meter width with drainage and slope protection structures with an approved budget of the contract of 14,698,003 pesos and 77 centavos with a contract duration of 120 calendar days.
Next project, the construction of road, Barangay Atipolo, Naval, Biliran. Engineer Sir Ronoy.
Okay, next project is 25IA0052. Construction of road, Barangay Atipolo, Naval, Biliran. With project description of concreting of 1.114 lane kilometer, 0.23 meter thick, 5.0 meter width. With the approved budget for the contract is 7,918,581 pesos and 96 centavos with contract duration of 85 calendar days. That's all. Oh, dito sa right side before bridge. Oo.
The next project, construction of road, Barangay Calumpang, Naval, Biliran. There are many sections, section 1 to 5.
For the next project, contract ID of 25IA0053 with a contract name of construction of road Barangay Calumpang, Naval, Biliran. The project location is Barangay Calumpang, Naval, Biliran. So this has 5 sections. So and project description scope of work is construction of 0.774 lane kilometers, 0.23 meter thick and 4 meter to 5-meter width with embankment and slope protection structure with an approved budget for the contract of 4,948,001 pesos and 39 centavos with a contract duration of 70 calendar days. So ang location ay diya sa Atbang sa gasolinahan ay kung kasada ang suot. So ay
393 linear meter flood control structure with the approved budget for the contract is 48,998,334 pesos and 40 centavos. Contract duration 246 calendar days. Okay, ang location niya downstream. Ariquin Bridge sa Cabucgayan.
Next project, construction of Cabucgayan flood control.
Next project, ang unang katulay, Cabucgayan Bridge.
Next, construction of flood control structure, Barangay Biliran.
Next project is 25/0056. Construction of flood control structure, Barangay Biliran. Project description, construction of 234 linear meter flood control structure. Approved budget for the contract is next project 25/0057. Construction of seawall, Barangay Tulaba, Biliran. Project description, construction of 80 linear meter seawall structure with reinforced concrete facing. Approved budget for the contract 4,948,246 pesos and 50 centavos. Contract duration 90 calendar days.
Next, construction of multi-purpose building, Cabucgayan National High School, Barangay Cabucgayan, Biliran.
Good morning, everyone. The contract ID for this project is 25/A0058. With the title Construction of Multi-Purpose Building, Cabucgayan National High School, Barangay Cabucgayan, Biliran. The scope of work for this project is roof trusses, roofing works, and concreting. With the ABC is 4,948,435 pesos and 64 centavos, with a contract duration of 75 calendar days. So, kaya is concern project, what ang iyang scope is roofing works. So, na siya existing yes, roofing works. Hindi sa completion, sir, ang ato idol, pero ang other scope, mga siya, sir. Results.
Next, construction, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Pinagtuan, Ulama, Biliran.
Okay, for the next project is 3598-0059, construction, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Pinagtuan, Ulama, Biliran. The project description is construction of one-story building with an approved budget of for the contract 1,978,533 pesos and 63 centavos with a contract duration of 75 calendar days. And practical necessary and scope, bench, topping, replace the gold and sharing scopes, plastering and painting works. That's all.
Next project, 24IA-0141, construction of one-story for classroom, Naval School of Fisheries, Naval Biliran. Iwan niya po na yung architect. Yan ang 14A.
Okay, for the next project, 24IA-0141, construction of one-story 4CL, Naval School of Fisheries, Naval Biliran. Project description or the scope of works is construction of one-story school building. From foundation to roofing works, so completed with the amount, the approved budget for the contract, 12,933,335 pesos and 70 centavos, with a contract duration of 210 calendar days. Dito siya ako sa pinakadulo nun. Sa high school. So, sa meron pa sa likod. Likod. Let's go.
So, any more comments? Wala lagi. Wala na. Ikaw, nakaipat, wala. Requirements. includes instruction to bidders, general conditions of contracts, special conditions of contracts, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms. Document applicable. Bid security, authority of signing official, organizational charge for the contract, contractor's certification and key personnel, list of major equipment, omnibus source statement required in RA 9184, section 25.b. Then, the financial proposal, bid form, bid prices, the bill of quantities, detailed estimates, and cash flow. Letter B, criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qual, and awards. So that's it. And since we have no more issues and concerns to be discussed, thank you for